Hello reception, how are you? I hope you're keeping happy and safe inside your home. So we're going to continue learning about space. In our previous video, we learned all about the earth that we live on. Now we're going to learn about the sun. The sun. Keep watching and I can't wait to learn with you.
So, what is this, do you think? Stop the video and have a little think. What do you think this might be? Have you guessed it? What do you think it is? This is actually the sun. Now, you might be shocked because I know when we think of the sun or draw the sun, this is what we usually draw. But no, this is the sun. I'm going to shock you even more. The sun is not made of fire. The sun is actually a giant star made of gas. Star. Star. Now, are you a little bit confused? I know I was when I found out this information, but no, the sun is actually a star in the shape of a sphere. Sphere. We looked at spheres before we left for lockdown. Spheres are a 3D shape. So a sphere might look just like a ball. And that's what the sun is. The sun is a giant ball of gas in the sky. Here is a starry picture. So even though these stars aren't as big as the sun, they all are still little balls of gas. I think that's a little bit unusual. When I say gas, do you know what I mean? Okay. In the air, we have lots and lots of oxygen. Oxygen would be a gas. However, it's a gas we can breathe. Maybe your cooker at home might be a gas cooker, which means you have to turn on the gas before the fire can light. And it's a different type of gas. Or it's quite disgusting, but if someone does a fart, they fart out gas. I know, it's disgusting. It's disgusting. But these are all gases. The stars in the sky are a special type of gas, just like the sun. And this gas is called hydrogen. Hydrogen. Now, this is the solar system. Solar system. In space, there's lots of different planets and stars. The sun is actually at the center of the solar system. So it's at the center of a lot of the planets. And all of the planets move around them, as you can see in this picture. So you see all of those little circles? That's where the planets move around the sun. So the sun is very important. We can't look directly at the sun because what will happen? You're right, our eyes will get really, really sore because the sun is so bright. Now, I want you to have a think. Why do you think we need the sun? Because the sun is very important. Stop the video and write down why you think we need the sun. Off you go, stop the video. We need the sun because it provides light and heat. So without the sun, this is what it would look like outside every single day. Nothing, complete darkness, and it would be so cold that nothing would live. Everything would be frozen. Which is why it's really important we have the sun. Now, you might notice outside at the moment, we've been having very hot weather. It's very important though that we take care of our skin in the sun. When we're out in the sun, what do we need to do? Stop the video and have a think. What do we need to do if we're going outside in the sunny weather? Off you go, stop the video. Have you gathered your ideas? If we're outside in the sun, we need to make sure we're staying in the shade as much as possible. We need to cover up, so we need to wear a t-shirt to cover our shoulders, sunglasses to protect our eyes, a hat to provide shade for our face, and what do we need to wear all over our skin? You're right, sun cream. I have a mini challenge for you. I want you to stop the video and design me a poster of how you can keep safe in the sun. You can put this poster on your window so that everyone walking by your house or your flat can see how they can keep safe in the summer sun. Let's use lots of colours in our poster and do some writing to describe what we're drawing. Are you ready? Okay, stop the video and go do your poster now. I have an experiment for you to do to see just how hot the sun is. I want you to find something that looks like this in your house. It's called a baking tray. If you don't have one, don't panic. Can you gather a couple of plastic bowls for me? Now, what I want you to put in each of the compartments is an object in your house, because we're going to see what melts and what doesn't melt in the sunlight heat. So here are some ideas. You might think of something different. I think you should use butter, an ice cube, a toy, so a little piece of Lego, chocolate, maybe a crayon, and a rock. However, you might want to see if different things melt in the sun. So if you've got your ideas, don't worry. I want you though to make a table just like I've made here. On one side, I want you to write all the different objects you're testing. And then I want you to write on the other two sides, melt and did not melt. What you can do is leave your tray outside in the sun. You can then see if the objects melt in the hot summer sun or don't melt. If they melt, tick the melt box. If they did not melt, tick the did not melt box. I can't wait to see pictures of your experiment on Tapestry. Do you think you can do that? Fantastic. Well, I'll go and let you get to work.
I can't wait to see all the fantastic work you have done on the sun in this lesson. Make sure to take a picture of them and upload them to Tapestry so that I can see your fantastic work. I can't wait to see you all soon, and I hope you're keeping happy and safe and playing outside in the sun. Just make sure to keep safe in the sun with all of the things you previously looked at. So what do we have to do? Wear sun cream, wear a summer hat, and make sure we're drinking lots and lots of water, and make sure you're not looking directly at the sun because that could really hurt your eyes. Keep safe, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye!